Come on in. Everyone's welcome at Mary's Place. Well, a little bit about myself. I'm from Florida. I was born in Florida. Um, I like to laugh and um, I like to make people laugh. I like to help people grow. Um, I like to make music videos and I like to cook. That's pretty much what I do at Mary's Place. I hope to get to know each and every one of you. So please don't be a stranger here and please leave a comment. I'd love to be able to chat with you back and get to know you. If you have a channel, let me know. That way I can go over and join your channel and we can help each other grow together. So God bless you all. I hope you like my humor because I can be a little bit silly at times. Anyway, welcome to Mary's Place.
Who's gonna miss me while I'm gone, huh? Who's gonna miss me? Who's gonna miss me?
Like I was told.